पेंडिंग चल रहा है।
2 दिन का पेंडिंग चल रहा है।
हेलो।
हाय
हाय श्रद्धा।
हाय पायल। हाय वंदना।
हाय श्रद्धा जी।
क्यों तुम्हारा पेंडिंग चल रहा है मैडम?
अरे मैं लिखना चाहती हूँ वो जो रिलेशनशिप वाला था, लेकिन रोज तो मेरा मूड ऑफ हो जाता है, तो मैं क्या तो लिखूं, मेरे को कुछ अच्छा चीज मिल ही नहीं रहा उसमें लिखने के
हाँ,
लिए।
तो मूड शिफ्टर्स है
तो
ना।
लिखना जरूरी है मैडम।
उसमें मैं
हेलो
अच्छा
एवरीवन।
मूड भी निकालूं।
Hi Payal, how are you?
Hi Priyanka, I'm good. How are you all? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes. वंदना, तो इसमें बहुत सारे मूड शिफ्टर्स है ना। आपको जो पसंद है, आई टोल्ड यू नो मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ 10 थिंग्स व्हिच यू लाइक टू डू। तो जब मूड ऑफ हो तो स्विच करो एंड देन राइट एट
और
दैट
अगर उन्हीं के वजह से मूड ऑफ है तो फिर उनके बारे में अच्छा ही कहाँ से ढूंढूं? ये तो
मतलब
मेन चैलेंज
हाँ,
तो वही
तभी
हो
तो
रहा है।
ग्रेटिट्यूड लिखना है ना।
वही तो
When you
चैलेंज
start
है
writing-
डियर।
वही
Just
तो
start
चैलेंज हो रहा
writing
है, वो तो
gratitude
समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
and good things, then automatically वो feeling change हो जाएगा. Start writing and
हाँ।
give a try.
आधा घंटा के लिए ना बाथरूम में घुस जाओ और वहां बैठ के सोचो।
ठीक है।
दैट इज द ओनली प्लेस जहाँ कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता है।
वहाँ भी चैन नहीं है।
नहीं यार, करते हैं बच्चे लोग
करते हैं
बाहर
क्या?
से मम्मी मम्मी मम्मी।
हाँ, तो अंदर तो नहीं आ रहे ना, ठीक है।
हाँ,
हाँ एटलीस्ट अंदर तो नहीं घुसेंगे ना, रूम का तो घुस भी जाएंगे, वहाँ एटलीस्ट अंदर तो नहीं घुसेंगे।
it's your me time.
हमारे घर वालों का तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो। क्या बोले?
किसका?
अभी तो एक कोर्स कर रही हूँ।
It is not about course. See here, a shift of mind is very important.
नहीं शिफ्ट,
हर चीज में नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में भी पॉजिटिव ढूंढना है। Yes.
आई नीड दिस वेरी बैडली, दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव कम
तो
हियर।
उसको डेली प्रैक्टिस करो तो ये थॉट्स आने बंद हो जाएंगे. यू योरसेल्फ विल रियलाइज एंड यू योरसेल्फ विल फाइंड द सिचुएशन, आई एम शिफ्टिंग देयर. अपने आप पता भी चल जाएगा किस सिचुएशन में कैसे डील करना है. दिस बुक एक्चुअली टेल्स अस हाउ टू डील विद एवरी एरिया. ये तो हर एक एरिया में बता रहे हैं. जिसका जो है जिस एरिया में डील करना है, यू अकॉर्डिंगली डील. उस पर ज्यादा फोकस करो ग्रेटिट्यूड को लेके. एंड डे टू डे ग्रेटिट्यूड अपने अकाउंट में फिल करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. then only it will work. आज का चैप्टर भी मैजिक चेक जो है, ये नहीं है कि बस एक दिन चेक लिख दिए एंड द ड्रीम विल बी फुलफिल्ड. It's like how much gratitude you have been paying for so long. That only will accelerate your dream. अगर कोई प्रैक्टिस जैसे नहीं हुआ, नहीं किए, तो नहीं होगा. एक दिन के प्रैक्टिस में तो कुछ भी नहीं होता है. In everyday life also, in a day's time we don't get anything, no, whatever we want or whatever we want to learn, rather we can't learn it in a day. It has to be a day to day affair till it becomes our lifestyle. जैसे अब ये तो नहीं कि आज मूड ऑफ था तो मैं ब्रश भी नहीं की, मैं नहाई भी नहीं, ये तो नहीं होता है. This will become that way the path of our life. We will not forget only, it will come automatically.
उस टाइम तो मैं सबसे ज्यादा टाइम बाथरूम में स्पेंड करती हूँ, सबसे शांति वहीं मिलती है मुझे.
So use that time. And I'll also say, अगर mirror work है, mirror work is like जब लो कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाता है, you don't feel good about yourself also. अपने आप को उतना वर्थ नहीं समझते हैं. Start talking to mirror, look yourself in the mirror और अपने आंख से आंख मिला के बात करो. And say all the good qualities, like जो नहीं भी है तो भी बोलो. I'm confident, I'm the winner, I'm the most beautiful person. Keep telling this to yourself every day. It really works. One day you will realize कि मैंने अपने लिए कभी कुछ सोचा ही नहीं, कुछ किया ही नहीं. Start loving yourself first. आप अपने आप को नहीं लव कर रहे हो, then no one else will love you also. Right? It goes that way.
Correct.
पहले खुद को बहुत
फेवरेट.
क्या बोली?
मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ.
Exactly.
हाँ.
Remember that जब भी मैं character. So like अपने आप को पहले दो. If you respect yourself, others will respect you. If you love yourself, others will love you. If अपने में ही अगर अपने what do you say, खामियां ढूंढते रहते हैं, तो obviously the others will also find fault in you.
No, that's true.
Begin with yourself. Everything begin with yourself. दूसरों को चेंज नहीं करना है, अपने आप को चेंज करना है. Others will change automatically if you change yourself. The magnetic field, aura, what is this all about? वो अपने आप इफेक्ट करता है, इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. हाँ,
I
so
saw the
let's.
movie Pollyanna. It was
Oh.
very, very, very nice.
Nice, no? I
And
तो
even my
cried
daughter
also.
loved it. Yeah, even I cried. And my daughter got so hooked up with the movie, she didn't wanted to leave us in मतलब बीच में उठना ही नहीं था, like continue देखते जा रहा था.
See?
And the glad game in the movie is very well shown. And she was like relating to it because she played with me the game. Mama, see, we played this game, no? So yeah.
हाँ. और अब क्या विजुअली वो देखने के बाद ज्यादा समझ में आता है. इसीलिए आई वाज वो जितना भी मैं बोल लूं, जब तक वो देखे नहीं ना.
किड्स के साथ ही देखना चाहिए ताकि उनको भी वो चीज
हाँ.
अच्छी तरह से दिमाग में आए.
एंड हम लोग जितना बोलेंगे उन लोग को लगेगा ज्ञान ही दे रहे हैं. मम्मा लोग का लेक्चर ही लगेगा. बट इफ दे सी द मूवी, वो जल्दी कैच करेंगे. एंड दे विल रिलेट ऑल्सो एंड दे एंजॉय ऑल्सो. तो अगर जिसने अभी तक नहीं देखा है, वो सजेस्ट प्लीज. अब तो प्रार्थना ने भी टेस्टिमनी कर दिया है. प्लीज डू वॉच. बाकी सबने देख लिया? नो, नॉट येट.
हम लोग बहुत बैड स्टूडेंट्स हैं एक्चुअली, हम लोगों ने देखा ही नहीं अभी तक.
Priyanka, I would suggest watch with your kids.
I understand,
एक्चुअली बच्चों
my daughter
की
is
वजह से नहीं देख पा रहे हैं.
हाँ, daughter is 18 and the son is going to be 13. तो वो लोगों को मतलब
Actually, no,
they are
my
like-
daughter also was like, Pollyanna, ये क्या नाम हुई, मुझे नहीं देखनी है कोई Pollyanna
Actually.
movie. From 3
बोले,
days she's
आपको
been
देखना
doing,
है?
मुझे नहीं देखनी. मैंने कहा आज
Animated भी है.
तो उनकी मूवी लगेगी बस. Then finally
I
बोले,
said तुम लोग
सबको देखनी है, यही
आप-
देखनी है आज.
नेटफ्लिक्स पे चला दो अगर हो तो. बोले आप अपने फोन में देख लो, हमको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. हम बोले ठीक है, ओके, इट्स ओके, आई विल सी.
हाँ, तो ऐसा करो प्रियंका, हॉल में बैठ के चला दो नेटफ्लिक्स पे. वो अपने आप आते जाते जब इंटरेस्ट आएगा ना, बैठ जाएंगे.
It's only on YouTube. What I searched, it's only on YouTube.
हाँ, सो यूट्यूब तो आपने लिंक भेजा ही है ना, वो वाला तो है ही हम लोगों के पास.
तो मैंने भेजा. आई थिंक दैट इज नॉट
Movie
एनिमेटेड. इसका एनिमेटेड वर्जन भी अगर छोटे बच्चों को दिखाना है तो. एंड आई थिंक एनिमेटेड ही एक बार हॉल में भी आया था, बिग स्क्रीन में. आई हैड टू सीन एट दैट टाइम आल्सो विद किड्स.
ओह, ओके.
तो अगर यू हैव यंगर
देखेंगे.
चिल्ड्रन जो एनिमेटेड प्रेफर करते हैं, यू कैन गो फॉर एनिमेटेड वन.
हमारे बच्चे तो वो पबजी बंद हो गया तो उससे उनको मतलब टेंट्रम्स ही बंद नहीं हो रहे पबजी बंद होने से कि क्यों बंद हो गया. Otherwise the whole lockdown.
Just say them it's a very nice movie. At least watch for 15-20 minutes. They'll totally connect to the movie in 20 minutes flat. My daughter
No,
was
no, I'm gonna
Animated
watch.
one, or is it without the animation?
but in 20 minutes she was totally, Mama, I want to watch totally now. Matlab, she doesn't want to get
How
up from the
old is
place.
your
She was-
kids, Pratna?
My daughter is 12.
How old is? Okay.
But
Good.
then they start relating to the movie. Na? In some minutes, they start relating to the story, ki yes, something is like a story, you should watch it now. What is
So
going to
it's
happen
a
next?
normal English movie, or is it an animated movie?
What I watched was a normal English movie. I think there's a version of animation also for that.
Animated version is also there. If younger children are there, you can see that also. And this is a normal movie. जो भी version देखना है, but I would say एक बार देखो. Or maybe before forcing them, maybe you watch once, फिर लगेगा, then you ask them to. लेकिन वो दो बार नहीं होता है, बल्कि when you are watching, they sit along with you. Even if they don't sit, don't pressurize them, don't force them. वो आते जाते देखेंगे थे, and if you watch it and then you give your review to them, then also it might help. Yeah. So what about yesterday's practice? सबने किया health का?
हाँ, बट वो 3 वाला समझ में नहीं आया हम लोगों को. वो चाइल्डहुड वाला जो क्या करें उसमें.
हाँ, 3 moments of your life वो लेना था when you were absolutely healthy, like कभी holiday में कोई trekking के लिए गए हो, कहीं पे बाहर गए हो, where you were running, school का कोई sports है, that area, you can take that moment of your life and you can be grateful, how fit you were and you were running around without Giving about your,
Oh, okay. At that thing we can write.
हाँ. And you can be
Okay.
Can you
grateful.
write also like when you give birth to your kids, about that also you can write, or is it like
You were very
you have
strong
to?
at that time also, you were very fit, but you were not complaining about your health at that time.
No, not complaining. Like you were feeling happy, you were feeling like, that way.
Helpfully.
Matlab like
Yeah.
thankful, हाँ, thanks.
Mhm. If you think you were very strong at that time, you felt, and you haven't been grateful yet, you can be grateful now.
Mhm.
Yes. So there was 3 moments you can take from your life.
Like any sport activity during the like a college or a school time or
हाँ,
like
when you
that
were
time,
like आप
right?
कितना walk करके, कॉलेज में तो फ्रेंड्स के साथ कितना कितना हम लोग walk कर लेते थे, so you can be
Right.
grateful for those periods कि now you like इतना walk करना है, और उस समय how many miles you could walk, that way. So we can be grateful for that moment or that period of your life. तो ऐसा भी 3 moments लेना है. बचपन में you used to jump and play around, every time energetic. You
Right.
can be grateful for that.
बाकी तो दोनों कर लिए, बाकी तो दोनों I have
Okay.
या एक जो लास्ट वाला है उसमें और एडॉप्ट करते रह सकते हैं ना. I just started actually जो
हाँ,
one
you
visualize
can.
करना है.
Right. Yeah. आपका जो भी एरिया है हेल्थ का, if you want to give gratitude to, and if you want to improve life further, so you can do and do that daily. Like one day doing will not help. कि आज करके छोड़ दिया, it will not help. You have to do
So
it like every day.
that part has to be done every day, right? Every day one paragraph will write. Any lines, 5 lines, 2
Visualize.
lines, 3 lines, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
And visualize also. The ideal state.
Okay. Just like blessing की तरह जैसे हमने habit डाला है वैसे उसका भी अब उसी में करना पड़ेगा.
Now this is a creation.
Gratitude
so,
को भी
creation. So thank you करके start करना है for your ideal state, and then you visualize that.
right.
Right. And every day.
Okay.
Like just after writing your blessings, you can make it a point, of writing whatever, like a dream creation में जिसमें आपको focus gratitude देना है, be it your health, wealth, whichever area. आपका health का
Blessings तो पता है ब्लेसिंग्स तो आजकल ऐसा हो गया है. सपोज सुबह सुबह का टाइम नहीं मिला, ब्रेकफास्ट खत्म हुआ, इन द मीन टाइम जब तक मेड्स लोग अपना ब्रेकफास्ट करती हैं, इन द मतलब यू एंटर इन द किचन अगेन, यू टेक 10-20 मिनट्स, आई विल जस्ट राइट इट डाउन दैट टाइम ओनली. तो मेरे बच्चे लोग बोलने लगा सुबह सुबह मम्मी पढ़ना चालू कर दी है. अगर समटाइम्स हाँ अगर उठते ही नहीं टाइम मिलता है, जैसे कई बार है ना लेट हो जाता है सुबह, तो आई मेक हर अ पॉइंट कि आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट और बिफोर ब्रेकफास्ट आई राइट वैसे.
as long as you're writing, the best time is the morning, but
वो हो रहा
लिखना
है,
जरूरी है. Yes.
वो हो रहा है राइट. या
तो आपका अकाउंट is getting filled up day by day. इसीलिए ड्रीम्स भी फिर जल्दी जल्दी होंगे पूरे. That's wonderful.
yep.
All right. So जिसने नहीं किया है हेल्थ का प्रैक्टिस, please do it today. And it is actually very vital. Health is like, आज का chapter is on magic check wealth. If health is also wealth, if health is not there, we won't be able to enjoy our wealth also. We know it very well. So health I think should be given priority. To prioritize, and health का practice तो is ऐसा कि every day we must do it, every day. So yeah, so welcome to the yet another session of the magic book reading, and today is again about money. So let's see how.
Payal, so when we are writing gratitude, when we are saying grateful to the time, to the past times, and do we have to write in past tense or do we have to write in like present something?
नहीं प्रेजेंट ओनली. आप उस चीज के लिए जब ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हो, इट्स लाइक राइटिंग योर ग्रेटिट्यूड. तो आप हेल्थ के लिए आज उसके लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड दे रहे हो. तो थैंक यू.
Not health. I'm talking about the childhood and the adolescence and all. The moments, like some moments when you're thanking. So should we write in past tense, like to do things that way in different level?
No, उसको भी मतलब थैंक यू फॉर द परफेक्ट हेल्थ. आप उस टाइम को मतलब सोच के आप उसको थैंक यू बोल रहे हो. सो थैंक यू व्हेन माय हेल्थ वाज सो गुड. मतलब ऐसे पास्ट में नहीं जाना है, आप प्रेजेंट में ही उसको थैंक यू करोगे. हैव यू गॉट इट? नो.
Yeah. Like for example, just if you're saying I used to go to school, my energy level to do things was in a different level only. So thank you for all the energy. If in case we are saying to do things in a different level, matlab, to do things was in a different level or is in a different level, matlab, that way.
We
I
are
was
like
just asking
thank
that.
you and gratitude for those times. So shall you want me to tell you the language? कौन सा मतलब past में लिखना है कि present में?
हाँ, that's what.
So thank you for the creation हो जा रहा है. I'm so grateful से start होगा because this we are talking about the past. So I'm so grateful for the full energy. Yeah, whatever you want to say, like when I could walk for so long, I'm really grateful for my energy during my childhood. So it's like writing your morning blessing, क्योंकि ये past का है. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so who would like to read today? Today is our day 17, the magic check. Anyone?
I can read. I don't mind.
All right. Divya, no? Yes, Divya.
Yeah.
Yes, Divya.
The magic check.
Yeah, so here we can see on the table a check in a wallet is kept, and how do we attract money? It is like everyone would like to attract. Money के area में हम लोग उसको कैसे attract कर सकते हैं?
So were you talking about this chapter when you were talking long time back when money matter thing was there? That when the next chapter will come, the money check or something, the magic check, then you will enjoy.
Yeah, the check. We will be writing
Okay.
check today.
Okay.
Yes.
In the magical universe, there are no coincidences and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen. William S. Burroughs, writer and poet.
Yeah, so here the writer is saying कि universe में जो भी हो रहा है, magical universe में ये जो भी हो रहा है, या हम लोग के life में actually जो भी हो रहा है, ये कोई coincidence से नहीं हो रहा है या कोई accidentally नहीं हो रहा है. It is like we are creating it only. How what we are attracting. हम लोग ये ऐसा चाह रहे हैं, consciously or unconsciously. It is like us who are attracting these things. That's why it is happening or occurring in our life right now. Nothing happens unless someone wills it. Who is the someone? We are the someone. So somehow we are attracting, maybe through fear, maybe through disappointment, maybe through envy. So we are attracting these situations. It is not happening by coincidence or accident. Yes, continue, Divya.
When you direct gratitude,
I can't hear you. Uh-oh.
the law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances of not having enough money. If you are worried about money, you will receive more worrying situations about money. If you feel fearful about the state of your money, then you must receive more situations that will continue to make you fearful about money.
Sorry, I got disconnected. Wait, Divya, where are you? I can't even figure out. Where are you?
I just completed the second para.
If you're worried about money and you will receive more worrying situations about money, this paragraph?
Yeah, I completed that.
Okay, just hold on. Actually, I lost my network, so I was like thrown off. So all bad feelings.
That's why I thought ki how come you're not telling anything? I assumed that maybe.
So when you direct gratitude's magical power towards any negative condition, a new condition is created, eliminating the old condition. So like हम लोग का gratitude towards, अगर हम लोग negative situation के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, उस पे focus कर रहे हैं, so like that condition is only being created, and our old condition, जैसे अगर positive वाला था, तो उसको हम लोग eliminate कर रहे हैं. So we are like creating the own situation. Am I audible right now? Yeah.
Yeah.
That means that when we get yourself to the place where you feel grateful for money more than you feel a lack of money. जैसे लाइफ में कभी होता है ना, अगर हम लोग ये सोचते रहते हैं मेरे पास तो पैसा ही नहीं है, मेरे पास तो पैसे नहीं है, मेरे पास पैसे की कमी है, तो हमेशा हम लोग किसको अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं? लैक ऑफ मनी को अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. So what, according to law of attraction, what we are giving it out, we are receiving that. So we are only, always saying कि पैसा नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है. So we are attracting, so there will be always lack of money. And that's why eliminating the, here it is. You feel a lack of money, a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money if we are grateful for the money. Right? So if we feel grateful for the money more than the lack of money, then what we are attracting money. So वो condition को replace हो जाता है lack of money. So we should not always say कि money नहीं है, money नहीं है, money नहीं है. हम लोग को लग रहा है नजर लग जा रही है, इसलिए हम लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं यार मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं, मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं. But actual में फिर वही होने लग जाता है. Universe understand that language. So all bad feelings about money push money away from you and reduce the amount of money in our life. And every time we feel bad about money, we reduce it a little more. So jitni baar hum log, and what is this bad feeling about the money? About being envious, about being fearful, about being disappointment. ये जितने भी negative thoughts अगर हम लोग को money के related में आता है, so we are pushing the money away from our life. Here, yeah, like it's mentioned here, feelings about money like envy. किसी ने गाड़ी लेके आई, oh wow, she has got a beautiful car, मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं. That kind of feeling, that's a negative thought and a negative feeling. So you are pushing the money away from you. Disappointment, पता नहीं इस मंथ का तो सैलरी दिया ही नहीं अभी तक, मतलब मिला ही नहीं है, और फिर सबको पेमेंट का टाइम भी आ गया. All these are like disappointment कि मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं. Worry, पता नहीं नेक्स्ट टाइम ये मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, लोन है मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, या किसी ने आपसे मनी लिया है वापस, that person will return or not. Fear कि क्या मुझे और मनी आएंगे कि नहीं, बिजनेस अच्छा चलेगा कि नहीं. All these are like negative thoughts. हम लोग जितना इसके बारे में सोचेंगे और बात करेंगे, we are attracting these towards our life. और बोले देखो, और फिर हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, देखा मेरे को डर, यही इसी बात का डर था, नहीं मिलेगा, और सच में नहीं मिला. Because we have been attracting that only. This we fail to understand. Now that is why the law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances of not having enough money. तो जितने भी हम लोग हताश होंगे, डिस्पेयर होंगे, डिसअपॉइंट होंगे कि नहीं है यार, मनी नहीं है, तो वो नहीं आएगा आपके पास. If you are worried, you will receive more worrying situation. वैसे ही circumstances create हो जाएंगे where you are more worried. If you are fearful, then you must receive more situations that will continue to make you feel fearful about money. And फिर वैसे ही बोलते हैं, और फिर लास्ट हम लोग बोलते हैं मेरा यही डर था, इसी बात का डर था और वही हो गया. Because we have been thinking and been creating that thought only and situation also. So we have to be very careful. हम लोग को तुरंत अपना shift करना चाहिए. At that time our thought. Yeah. Now continue, Divya.
Yeah. However difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation and any lack of money you may currently be experiencing. And gratitude is the guaranteed way for you to do that. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried thoughts about money at the same time. Nor can you be grateful for money and have fearful thoughts about money at the same time. When you're grateful for money, not only do you stop the negative thoughts and feelings that push money away from you, you're doing the very thing that brings more money to you.
Yes, so whatever is the situation, बोलते हैं ना कि जब अरे यार जब मनी नहीं है तो obviously the worry will come. This is something very natural. But यही तो situation है. This is our testing time, कि उस situation में भी हम लोग अपने आप को कैसे gratitude में रख सकते हैं, जितना हम लोग के पास है उसमें. तो अगर हम लोग you have to ignore your current situation और lack of money अगर है, उसको भी ignore करना होगा. So that, and because gratitude is the only way through which we can attract more money. There is no other way. और बोलते हैं ना जैसे खुशी and गम साथ साथ नहीं चल सकते. If you are happy, you cannot be sad at that time. So the same way, you cannot be disappointed about money and you cannot be grateful about the money at the same time. If you are grateful, तो वो अपने आप ही वो खुशी आएगी और वो अच्छे feelings आएंगे, वो disappointment चला ही जाएगा. So it's always better to be grateful for the thought. तो वो हम लोग को वो thought create करने पड़ेंगे. So we can be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried thoughts about money at the same time. You know, we cannot have that. You can't be happy. कभी sad और खुशी साथ में हो सकते हैं, हंस और रो generally don't have, you know, हो नहीं सकता है. Those feelings, अगर किसी के लिए प्यार है तो उसके लिए हम लोग में bitter feelings आ ही नहीं सकती at the same time. So, you know, same way we can't be grateful and worried about the money at the same time. So we can't be fearful and grateful for the money at the same time. So this is how it goes. So we have to push, we are only pushing the money away through by being ungrateful or through fear or disappointment. Yes, so you are doing the very thing that brings more money to you. How? By being grateful. So we have to stop those negative thoughts and we have to push ourselves. थोड़ा सा push करना पड़ेगा. Obviously, अगर lack of money है, worry है, so I won't say कि all of a sudden you can be happy. You cannot be, but we need to push ourselves. Yes.
You have already practiced gratitude for the money you have received and continue to receive. So before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. Because if you're not grateful each time your riches or money increase, you will stop the abundance from flowing to you. Money can come to you through receiving an unexpected check, an increase in salary, a lottery win, a tax refund, or an unanticipated gift of money from someone. Your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab for coffee, lunch, or dinner when you're about to purchase an item and you discover it has been discounted, when there's a money back offer on a purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy. The end result of every one of these circumstances.
So money can come to you through various ways, you know, unexpected check में. So we have already practiced gratitude. जो हम लोग का past का money था, we have already practiced gratitude. उसको हम लोग fill कर दिए हैं. Present में जो money है, उसके लिए भी हम लोग बहुत grateful. You know, every day we are being grateful. Now it's like for the future. कैसे हम लोग को money को attract करना है. So लेकिन अगर हम लोग अगर past वाले का अगर हम लोग का अभी भी due है और बाकी है, so you know we won't be able to fulfill our and we won't be able to attract the money and we won't be able to fulfill that dream of ours. So it is very important कि past में के लिए जितना money है, इसीलिए I told you that practice has to be done, you know, उसको fill करना बहुत जरूरी है. उसको fill present में every day you are giving love and feeling to the money you have and you know or every day you are being grateful. Every day आपने हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, you know, we made that card or a chit on the dollar bill or a 100 rupee note or whatever, you know, amount of money. Every day we can be grateful for the throughout the money we have been given. You know, I'm grateful for all the money I've been given throughout my life. So every day we can say this and past का भी होता रहेगा और present में भी करते रहेंगे. Then only we can move ahead. So our money किसी भी way में आ सकता है. It is not like big amount एक बार में एक check में आ जाएगा. Unexpected way which we have not even given a thought to. हो सकता है सैलरी इंक्रीज हो जाए, कोई लॉटरी जिसके लिए बात हम लोग लगाए वो जीत जाए, अनएंटिसिपेटेड गिफ्ट ऑफ मनी फ्रॉम समवन, कोई और भी कभी कभी दे देता है. यू नो व्हेन वी गो टू अ रिलेटिव प्लेस, मम्मा ने दे दिया, पापा ने दे दिया, अनएक्सपेक्टेड, वी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट. किसी रिलेटिव के यहाँ पे गए, वहां पे यू गेट दोस एनवेलप्स, यू गेट, यू नो, यू इट इज एन अनएक्सपेक्टेड वे यू कैन गेट द मनी. So your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab for coffee. किसी के friends के साथ गए and someone else is, you know, pick up the tab for the coffee or a lunch or dinner. That is also a money gain. A money saved is also a money gain, you know. So that way also कि हम लोग किसी भी way में हम लोग को मिल सकते हैं. So it's not only a big amount in the bank or through मतलब business में, जरूरी नहीं है वैसे ही मिले. It can come in any form. You just have to be grateful for all the money we have right now and in the past we have been given. Yeah, continue, Divya.
Yeah, the end result of every one of these circumstances is that you have more money. So whenever a situation arises, ask yourself, does this circumstance mean that I have more money? Because if it does, you need to be very grateful for the money you are receiving through that circumstance. If you tell a friend you're about
यस दिव्या, जैसे कभी हम लोग जाते हैं और हम लोग को डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है तो हम लोग सिर्फ खुश हो जाते हैं. बट हैव वी एवर पेड ग्रैटिट्यूड? हैव वी एवर बीन थैंकफुल? ओह वाओ, थैंकफुल फॉर द डिस्काउंट वी हैव रिसीव्ड. वी हैव नेवर. मे बी यू नो मिल गया, बस उस समय हो गया, वाह वाह मिल गया, गुड फॉर मी. यू नो यू थिंक आई एम लकी. but वो मिल गया है, but then we have to be grateful enough, then we attract more discount. तो वो तो मैंने भी अभी after reading this chapter only I realized कि discount मिल जाता था, we used to be happy, but I had never paid gratitude at that time to the money which have been saved. It is also a gain only because I saved that amount of money. So we should, from now on, every circumstances, we have to be grateful. Yes, continue.
If you tell a friend you're about to buy an item and the friend offers to lend or give you the very item because they don't use it, or if you're planning to travel and you hear about a discounted special that you end up taking, or if your lending institution lowers the interest rate or a service provider offers you a far better package, your money magically increased through the saving of money. Are you getting the idea of the unlimited situations where you can receive money?
Yeah, so यहाँ पे सारे situations बता दिए हैं through which we can earn money. It is not only about earning, it is also about saving. That is also magically, it is magical that we have increased through the saving of money also.
Most likely, you have experienced some of these situations in the past. And whether you realize it or not, at the time, they occurred because you attracted them. But when gratitude is your way of life, you attract magical situations all the time. Many people call it good luck, but it's not luck at all. It's universal law.
Yeah, so here it has been made very clear to us. It's not just luck, it is we who have attracted those situations. अगर हम लोग discount में कितनी बार होता है मुझे, because I think I never paid gratitude to this discount. इसलिए मैं कभी prefer भी नहीं करती, जाती भी नहीं, because I always used to say, oh, I never like this sale item, I will not go. और मुझे कभी मिलता भी नहीं है. I never get, somehow I don't get. And now I've realized, because I've always been complaining about sale. कि sale में तो अच्छा होता ही नहीं है, which I don't like. So I don't get it also and don't avail also. So now I think I've realized कि हम लोग को उस situation में अगर grateful रहेंगे, and when we get discount, then we attract more of those. That's I hear some of my friends, my sister, no, I got a good deal, I got a good discount. I said I never get. I don't know, somehow I never get, because I'm attracting that situation that I will not get the discount, I will not get good deal. And she gets it because maybe she has been attracting, she has been grateful for all those situations. So it's all on us. Nothing is, then I used to also say, you are lucky that you got the good deal. I don't get it. The same words I've heard this. So it's maybe because I've never been grateful. Now I've started, looking into it and realize, and now I'll be more grateful so that I attract more of those good deals. Yes, continue.
Yeah. Any circumstance that results in you having more money or receiving something that cost money is a result of your gratitude. You'll feel great joy in knowing that you did it. And when you combine your joy with your gratitude, you have a real magnetic force that will keep attracting more and more abundance.
Yeah, यहाँ पे एक और riddle है. Yeah, यहाँ पे एक और riddle है कि in this law of universe, मतलब joy and excitement and happy and all those emotions above the line, remember that chart, वो होना gratitude के साथ is very very necessary. अगर हम लोग below the line के emotions के साथ grateful रहेंगे, it will affect us, it won't affect us only, it will like go negative way. We'll be attracting only the negative situation. So along with the gratitude, this joy is very important. In the sense कि हम लोग को उसमें बहुत खुश रहना है उस money के लिए, उस discount के लिए. Then only we'll be attracting more of those situations.
When I arrived in the United States several years ago, I arrived with 2 suitcases. I worked in a bare bones apartment with my computer on my lap. I didn't have a car, and so I mostly walked everywhere. But I was grateful for everything. I was grateful to be in the United States. I was grateful for the work I was doing. I was grateful for the bare bones apartment with its 4 plates, 4 knives, 4 forks, and 4 spoons. I was grateful that I could walk to most places, and I was grateful that there was a taxi stand right across the street. Then something incredible happened. A person I knew decided to gift to me a driver and a car for a few months. Other than my computer, I was living with the most basic material things to survive, and then suddenly I had my own personal driver and car. I was grateful, so I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude.
Yes, so here it is like she's given one example, like अगर वो जो भी अभी हमारे पास है, अगर हम लोग उसके लिए grateful होते हैं, तो we attract more of those situations, you know, और भी ज़्यादा हम लोग को मिलता है. So we should always be grateful with what little I have. It doesn't matter you have to be, you know, very ultra rich or something, you know, whatever little you have to be grateful. So we attract more money, more money. I remember once I was in Hong Kong, I think, for a holiday, and normal room affair, we had taken a room, usi rate mein, usi fare mein, I think we got a suite. So that was like, wow, it was like magical only, how we attracted. And the same fare mein we got a suite. Somehow the hotel people, they messed up something, our booking or whatever it was, so we were given a suite. And in the same fare, nothing like it. So we had a nice time there. So we don't know what situation, maybe we were grateful for whatever we were getting at that time. So we could afford more now. Yeah.
Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive has brought astounding results to many people. At the end of this practice, you will find a blank magic check from the gratitude bank of the universe, and you are going to write out the magic check to yourself. Fill in the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. Choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you are going to spend the money on. Money
Yes.
is a means to what you want.
Yeah, please pause. So यहाँ पे
Yeah.
जो magic check हम लोग लिखेंगे, so write the amount. Before writing the amount, please think what you want to buy. Yeah, initially अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, छोटा amount लिखेंगे, because हम लोग का gratitude का account अभी इतना भरा नहीं है, you know. For bigger amount, your gratitude account has to be really full, really full. So it is like कि हम लोग अभी वैसा amount लिखेंगे, maybe a iPhone or maybe a laptop or whatever you want, or maybe a dress. It can be that small, so dress or whatever you want to buy. Think कितने amount में वो आता है, and write that amount on the check. And you must know what you want to buy with that amount. You know, कितनी बार ऐसे लोग रखते हैं ना, 50,000 लिख देते हैं, let's see. लेकिन वो feeling नहीं आ रही है 50,000 rupees लिखने में. अगर वही feeling आ जाए, इस 50,000 rupees में मुझे ये branded वाला bag buy करना है, you know, so you want that bag, उसमें feelings ज़्यादा attach हो जाते हैं, and you start visualizing using that bag, and you know, you are happy about it, owning it. So always think of the thing which you want to buy with that money, and then write the amount. So उसका feeling and वो automatically you'll go above the line. The joy of having it, you know. So always think of what you want to buy, and then you write the amount. Continue, Divya.
Money is a means to what you want, but it's not the end result. So if you just thought about money per se, you wouldn't be able to feel as much gratitude. When you imagine getting the things you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude than if you were just being grateful for money.
Yes.
You can photocopy or scan the magic check from the book. You can also get an abundance of blank magic checks from www.secret.tv magic check.
Now, I'll also WhatsApp. I have this check with me. I have taken a printout. I'll WhatsApp you. You can take out a printout. अगर just in case printer नहीं है घर पे, you can always draw it also. It's very easy. Just make a check and fill it up. Or you can take a printout and then fill it up. I'll share this. Or you can go to this website and you can always download it also. Yeah.
You can photocopy or if you want, you can start with a smaller amount on your first magic check, and after you receive the smaller amount, you can keep increasing the amounts on your next checks. The benefit of starting with a smaller amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know what you did it. You will know absolutely that, yeah, you will know absolutely that the magic of gratitude worked, and the gratitude and joy you feel will make bigger amounts believable to you.
Yeah. तो अगर हम लोग की छोटी छोटी बोलते हैं ना, छोटी छोटी ख्वाहिशें पहले पूरी करते हैं, उसके बाद बड़े में आएंगे हम लोग, और तब तक हम लोग क्या होता है, ये जो थ्रू ग्रेटिट्यूड हम लोग जितना एक्चुअली मनी इज व्हाट, इट इज जस्ट एन एनर्जी, व्हाट एनर्जी वी आर गिविंग टू इट, सो इट विल यू नो उतना ही वैसे अट्रैक्ट होगा, उतनी ही जल्दी अट्रैक्ट होगा. और पहले के जो अकाउंट है ग्रेटिट्यूड के टुवर्ड्स द मनी, वो हम लोग को पूरा एरिया कवर कर लेना है. जितने ज्यादा हम लोग ग्रेटफुल होंगे, अकाउंट जितना फुल होगा, accordingly will be attracting, और उतनी ही जल्दी वो एक्सेलरेट करेगा जितनी एनर्जी हम लोग देंगे डे टू डे ग्रेटफुल होना.
Once you have filled in the details of the magic check, hold the check in your hands and think about the specific thing you want the money for. Get a picture in your mind and visualize yourself actually using the money to get the very thing that you want, and put as much excitement and gratitude into it as you can.
या सो पहले जैसे हम लोग छोटे अमाउंट को फिल किए, उससे अगर हम लोग को कुछ मिल गया, मे बी अ फोन, दैट विजुअलाइज यू आर यूजिंग दैट फोन and you're happy about it and how you are using it, or maybe a bag or maybe a dress. उसके बाद जैसे bigger check क्या होगा, for maybe a check amount you need for your child's education, maybe you need it for your daughter's or a son's marriage, maybe you need it to set up a business. तो वो जो भी होगा, this is like later on, a little later, while जब आपका छोटे छोटे पूरे होने लग जाए, you can always make a new check after one is fulfilled. उस समय फिर we need to visualize, वो money जैसे अगर आ गया, तो जैसे आप tickets जैसे education का है, so you have booked the tickets, airfare दे दिए हैं, and you book the tickets and you're flying and you're reaching there, start visualizing. Marriage है, तो you have started preparing for the marriage and how a big party is being thrown. आप सब कुछ उसमें visualize कर सकते हो. So वैसे visualize करने का importance क्या है? Because if we take a check in our hand, we must feel it. We must feel it कि इस money से what can I do? So take it in your hand and visualize कि ये money आ जाएगा तो wow, मैं कितना कुछ ये सब कर सकती हूँ. तो वो automatically उसमें वैसा feeling and vibes आएंगे and energy आएगा. So we'll be attracting more a little faster. Yes.
Maybe you want the money.
Yes.
Someone said.
I'm already visualizing.
Nice.
You feel good about it. That's the idea. Yeah. Continue, Divya.
Maybe you want the money for a new pair of shoes, a computer, or a new bed. So picture yourself actually buying what you want in a store. If you would purchase what you want online, then picture yourself receiving the delivery so you feel excitement and gratitude. You might want the money to travel overseas or for your child's college education. So imagine buying your airplane ticket or opening a college bank account and feel as happy and grateful as if you've already received it. After you have completed these steps, take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions during the day, today, take the magic check in your hands. Picture yourself actually using the money for what you wanted and feel as grateful and excited as you can, as though you're really doing it. If you want, you can do it more times in the day. As with any other magical practice, you can't do it too often.
Yes, so this is here they are telling us like how magic check को हाथ में लेके visualize करना है कि उस money से हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, and feel as grateful as excited. This is important, वहाँ पे gratitude and joy था, यहाँ पे gratitude and excitement है. So we have to be excited about it. If you are happy and we keep ourselves above that feeling, जो card है, feeling above the line. Our feelings are like above the line, excitement, joy, happiness. इसमें है, then if you want to do it more times in the day, we can do it. ये book जितने भी times बोलते हैं, that is always the minimum. If it says 2 times or 3 times, it's the minimum. You can do it more than 2 or 3 times. But इतना जितना लिखा है उतना तो करना ही करना है. That's a must. Yes.
At the end of the day, either keep your magic check where you had it or put it in another prominent place where you will see it daily. You could put it on your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, underneath your magic rock, in your car or wallet, or on the background of your computer. Anytime you see your magic check, feel as though you've received the money and be grateful that now you can have or do what you want.
Yeah, so wherever you can see it often, if you are like most of the time, if you're out of the house, you're working, then you can put it in your wallet. And if you're at home, then place it at a place where you will see it a little more often.
When you have received the money on your magic check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend the money on in another magical way, replace the check with a new amount for something else that you really want, and continue with the magic check practice as long as you want.
Yeah, so I'm sure ये magic check practice तो सभी lifelong ही करना continue करना चाहेंगे. You know, this is something, and why not? कितने जन होते हैं ना, they have this view कि नहीं money है तो it might sound a little I'm being greedy maybe, but हम लोग की happiness and बहुत कुछ it is like associated with it. It is connected. So we will not be envious of others' money. We will not be, worry or distressed about it, but we will enjoy and happily receive the money and will attract that. Yes.
Magic practice number 17, the magic check. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that
Blessing. Don't tell me again. Can you hear me?
to receive, along with your name and today's date. Should I pause?
No. So I think you must have understood. Am I audible? Yeah.
Yeah.
So fill in your magic check with the amount of money you want to receive along with your name and today's date. So ये जब निकालोगे, we know how to fill the check. यहाँ पे अपना amount लिख देना, यहाँ in words, and you write your own name. Pay to whom, like Shraddha Goyal or Priyanka Jain, you write your own name, and you sign here the universe. Okay. Yes.
Hold your magic check in your hands and imagine purchasing the specific thing you want the money for. Feel as happy and grateful as you can that you have received it. Take the magic check with you today or put in a place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions, take the check in your hands, picture yourself using the money for what you want, and feel as grateful as though you were really doing it.
Yeah, so 2 more occasions लिखा है. You can do it more than 2, but 2 तो लेना ही लेना है. At least 2 है.
At the end of today, keep your magic check in a prominent place where you will see it daily. When you have received the money on your check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend the money on, replace the check with a new amount for something else you want, and repeat steps 2 and 4.
Yeah, 2 to 4 पूरा.
2 to 4, sorry.
हाँ, so it is like if you when you feel that you have received, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि cash में receive करें. Maybe you wanted money for the thing, and if you have got that thing through whatever way, money किसी भी way में आ सकता है, किसी भी form में आ सकता है. So then you can make a new check, keeping in mind what you want with that money. So you can make a new check, you can throw that check, you make a new check, and you keep it, and again you repeat the step from 2 to 4. Continue, Divya.
Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
So this is download a copy of the magic check from the website, and then fill in the date, your name, and the amount you wish to receive in the currency of your choice. So obviously हम लोग rupees ही लिखेंगे. Okay, so वहाँ वाले में हो सकता है dollar हो, but we will write rupees only because we want in Indian currency. And if you want in dollar, you can write that. वो भी लिख सकते हैं.
Okay.
So I think it's
Payal?
Yes, Shraddha.
Yeah, in the check, to the order of means what? What do we write here?
कहाँ पे?
The amount in words.
हाँ.
Yeah.
The amount in words.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Okay.
और I send you ये वाला, ये rupees and pay, the amount in words only we write ना, या rupees, ये actually वहाँ का है.
तो वही मुझे समझ में आया.
हाँ, तो there they write like this. तो लेकिन हम लोग को I think we should use, अगर Indian currency वगैरह में चाहिए तो हम लोग will make this check. I'll send you on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So you can take out the printout. Printer नहीं है तो we can always make a check. But वो feeling and what you want with that money, that is very important. खाली बना के रखने से नहीं होगा. 2 is the least number of times. यू नो, उससे ज्यादा आपको उसको हाथ में लेना है, विजुअलाइज करना है, एंड यू मस्ट फील कि यू हैव ऑलरेडी रिसीव दैट मच अमाउंट एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग विद दैट मनी, यू नो, जिसके लिए आपने लिखा था चेक. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड वो कभी अट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि हम लोग अभी जैसे बहुत खाली चेक लेके विजुअलाइज करने से एंड डे टू डे में अगर हम लोग ग्रेटफुल नहीं होंगे मनी को, देन वी वोंट बी अट्रैक्टिंग. आई एम सॉरी. तो हम लोग को अकाउंट अपना फिल करना है. द मोर एनर्जी वी, मनी इज नथिंग बट एन एनर्जी. It is nothing but an energy. So we have to see what kind of energy we are giving to it. So we have to be very, very grateful to the money every day. अगर हम लोग किसी को दे भी रहे हैं with lot of blessings, no complaining and no cribbing and no not with a thought कि ले गई ये तो रुपया और देना पड़ रहा है, you know, not with that feeling. दे भी रहे हो तो bless करके दो कि उसको ये बहुत फले, उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा करे. What's the matter? Don't sharing. Can you see?
Yeah, you are visible.
Can you hear me, no?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Madhuri is going to some wedding.
Yes.
Huh?
That-
All dressed up.
Yeah, my function is there. Na, I told you, na. I'm to my in-laws' place. Na, Graha Pravesh is there today. So I
Okay,
got
okay,
a break now, and I came immediately at 3:15.
Oh wow!
देखने से लग रहा है, all dressed
Looking
up.
so pretty.
What
Thank you.
dedication!
Yeah, I mean, gratefulness to the timing. I got it this time. Half an hour free, 1 hour free. Panditji has got lunch now. They have come for the lunch. So I just immediately came. I saw the time and I log in at 3:10.
That's wonderful.
But I gave the message I won't be able to log in.
So even if you missed something, you can always see the recording. But I think most of the time you were here only.
Yeah. At 3:10 I started. I joined. As soon as you started that now session,
Ah,
I joined that time only.
okay, that's nice.
Payal, I could not do yesterday's session actually. I mean that assignment.
Yesterday's practice.
Practice I could not do, and I won't be able to do today also and tomorrow also practice because function is there.
Morning blessings लिख लो.
That I'm doing it. Blessing
don't
and
give
rock
up.
and I'm doing.
Don't
Only
give
the
up. Morning blessings and gratitude rock.
no.
निकाल कर.
No, that I'm doing at 5 o'clock only. I get up.
Wonderful. That means there's no break. To practice, you can do it like day after tomorrow, but at least there's no. Okay, Madhu.
Yeah.
And the practice जैसे कोई दिन अगर नहीं भी कर सके तो we can always do it orally instead of writing ना.
हाँ.
कि अगर ऐसा हो कि टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है orally at least कर लो.
हाँ. You can do ये health वाला तो कर सकते हो. It's better to write.
Orally I have done it. Orally I have done it while taking bath and all that. Thanks to all the body parts and all that. But I have not written and done it.
That's okay. You can do it later. जो area improve करना है उसको तो everyday लिखना है. उसको तो everyday करना है.
Yeah. Okay, Payal. Thank you. I will be leaving now. Huh?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
you.
हाँ, और किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन आज का मैजिक चेक को लेके? Clear now what you have to do? Yes, Pratna.
I have a question.
हाँ.
I think you have done many session already yourself. So did you find this magic check magical? I mean, any of your dreams have come true with this magical check?
हाँ. Initially मैंने भी एक गलती की थी. I wrote a big amount check. तो उससे क्या हुआ ना? And वो मेरा long term ही है. तो इतना बड़ा amount लिख दिया था. Then I realized in another session. You know, then I read again in another session. I was told to write a smaller amount. That's why I don't want you all to get disappointed. इसलिए initially only I'm asking write a small amount. You know, फिर उससे क्या होता है वो चीज मिल जाती है तो बहुत खुशी होता है. Then your belief gets stronger also. And you know, वो gratitude का वो भी on रहता है and circle start हो जाता है. And it also depend कि खाली लिख के I'm telling you again and again खाली लिख के रखने से 2 बार check को visualize कर लिया हो गया. It's not enough. Every day में you have to be grateful to the money. You are having, you are giving, you are receiving, whichever way. every time you have to be grateful. और gratitude का ये
Can
account-
you send one written check how it is to be written? Like the one you're sending a plain copy, right, on the WhatsApp, and one can you write and send the how it is to be written, like a sample
हाँ,
written?
there's
Yeah,
nothing in
yeah.
it. There's nothing in it. You just have to write your amount and name and everything.
And what not amount, like you said, ki maybe a dress or maybe whatever, small thing.
Whatever
So
you
you
wish
can
to
write.
buy. हाँ, आपको एक तो tentative amount तो पता होगा ना
Okay, that way. Okay.
कि कितने में मेरा
Nowadays,
ये आ
iPhone 12 is 150 ka, right? 150 for the iPhone 12 Plus.
जाए. Absolutely.
That's a more expensive phone right now be in the market.
हाँ. And if you really wish to have it, ये trial वाला feeling ही नहीं आएगी. If you really want to own it and you have it, wish to have it, then only you write that amount. तभी वो attract होगा.
Yeah.
Just writing to check whether I'm getting or not getting will not help, because this is all about your thoughts and feelings. This law of universe, work accordingly what your thoughts and feelings are.
More of faith, right?
More of belief and more of your thought and feelings. अब जो feelings, it's like frequency है feelings की, और वो universe वही catch करता है. अगर आप बहुत passionate हो, joy के साथ उसको मतलब ये कि मुझे ये चीज चाहिए, then only, not with the intent of ये money चाहिए मुझे, money किस लिए चाहिए, उस चीज के लिए चाहिए, तो वो अपने आप gratitude आता है. Gratitude is क्या है? कृतज्ञता जिसको बोलते हैं, शुक्राना जिसके लिए बोलते हैं, उसमें कुछ money involved नहीं है. It is all about being grateful.
So can this check be written as non-monetary thing also?
No, you have to write the amount here. You can be grateful for that thing which you want and for the money also. But you can't write the things. आप उसको visualize करो, उस money से आप क्या लोगे? Maybe for your child's education, for marriage, for a birthday party, wherever you want to spend that money on. It is not only the materialistic thing which you want to buy. No, it can be for anything. कितने examples book में दिया? I would say read the chapter once again. तब वो slowly.
LV bag.
Yeah. Then you will
LV
realize.
bag.
Ayan.
Yes, Rinki.
इतना बड़ा जो फर्स्ट इनिशियल ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाए थे, द इनिशियल वाला, आई वांट दिस, उसमें तो बहुत लंबा लिस्ट है.
इसीलिए
Check
अभी वो,
सबके लिए बनेगा.
लेकिन वो अभी वो ग्रेटिट्यूड का अकाउंट हम लोग का अभी फुल नहीं हुआ है, so it's difficult to
उतना हाई
attract.
लेवल में नहीं जाएंगे, मीडियम लेवल विल स्टार्ट विद दैट.
हाँ, start with the smaller one. Yes, Rinku.
LV का जो एकदम जूनियर मतलब जो बेस्ट प्राइस का बैग है वो विल राइट ऑन द चेक so we can get that bag. Not the high end wala, जो normal
start with the
range
base
bag
model.
is. Right.
Yes, Rinku, what was your question?
My question is, it should be for purchasing a thing only. It cannot be for realization of any bad debt or like that.
It can be.
Means, it can be, no?
तो अब bad debt वगैरह को भी realize करने के लिए तो you need money only, no? In whatever form.
Means that money will not be utilized for purchasing anything, but there is some money which is
हाँ, तो you will visualize कि आपको जिसको देना है कि you have cleared and you have given and you are happy about it. आप वैसे
no, I have to receive it. I have to receive it, not to give.
नहीं, but ये check आपको वो receive करना है. Okay.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो वो भी लिख सकते हैं.
There is some amount. हाँ. Because वही अभी दिमाग में आ रहा है कि वही सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है अभी, not to purchase anything, instead of that कि I should realize that.
तो सोचो वो अगर आ जाएगा तो उसके बाद क्या होगा, क्या करोगे?
Okay.
Visualize that also, think about that also, and be grateful for that part.
Okay.
आने के बाद क्या होगा? Always think till the end. हमेशा keep asking yourself question. ये हो गया, अगर ये मिल जाएगा उसके बाद, ये मिल जाएगा उसके बाद, so you yourself will get the answer. End result तक सोचो, उसके बाद क्या होगा? Then you will have party होगा.
Party होगा. Actually,
we should party once the session gets over.
Absolutely.
Let's meet up, please. Desperately need the party, actually.
Actually, we all need one.
Wish list में वो भी आ जाएगा. Let's start manifesting that.
ना विश लिस्ट तो ऑलवेज की पार्टी के लिए तो हमेशा ही रहता है. ड्रीम लिस्ट में तो सारे ब्रांड्स के बैग है. अब आपने एक का बता दिया है कि एक से चेक भरना से चालू करो, तो कम से कम चेक पे चेक भरने. अब ऑल द बैग्स एंड यू नो
एंड बैग्स रिसीव कर दिए.
Yeah.
no.
तो बस किस फीलिंग्स के साथ डेली अफेयर में मनी को किस फीलिंग्स के साथ दे रहे हैं, ले रहे हैं, that is very important. You know, you should not complain.
right.
Not
And if
complain.
we don't want to spend the money, we just want to keep it with ourselves.
Then तो वो शिद्दत ही नहीं है. अपने पास रख के आप क्या करोगे फिर? उसको उसके बाद रखने के बाद भी तो उसको कभी ना कभी किसी चीज के लिए यूज करोगे ना. That's why you
हाँ,
want
तो वो
it.
सोचेंगे बाद में.
वो बाद में सोचेंगे तो यूनिवर्स भी बाद में सोचेगा.
अच्छा नहीं थोड़ा लंबा नहीं सोचना.
तो गवर्नमेंट ही ज्यादा दिन नहीं सोचती है. मोदी जी फिर कोई चेंज कर देंगे तो फिर करेंसी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. क्या फायदा? जो है उसी को स्पेंड करो.
Live in today. हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा फ्यूचरिस्टिक हो जाते हैं. Let's live in today in the moment. You know, आज हर दिन एक नया दिन है. बोले ना, today is the first day of the rest of my life. You know, always start the day like that. बहुत ज्यादा बचा के क्या होगा?
तब सारे ब्रांडिंग स्टोर्स एंड शॉपिंग मॉल चलते ही हम लोगों की वजह से. एक्चुअली हम लोगों की ड्रीम डिजायर पूरे करने के चक्कर में.
अभी मैंने दिवाली में एक चेन खरीदा था. मेरी मदर इन लॉ बोली हाँ चेन खरीद लो, फिर रोहिणी को देने में भी काम आ जाएगा. लाइक रोहिणी इज माय डॉटर. मैंने कहा पहले मैं तो पहन लूं, रोहिणी को हाथ में दे.
वो बड़े लोगों का घर में वो रहता है ना, हाँ. जो लड़की है तो उसके लिए
लो. हाँ वो तो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग आइटम है, तो रोहिणी को भी दे सकते. मैं कहा रोहिणी बाद में, पहले मैं.
Hi Jayashree. How is she's there? You are there or not?
Hi, yeah, I'm very much here attending the,
Yeah.
just
How
very
did the
tired,
wedding
still
go?
in the hangover of the marriage.
Can see, I
It
can
hasn't
hear
got
that.
over, but yes, I'm very much attending the class. I attended yesterday as well.
You did? We didn't see you.
You can see me now. I said I'm still in the hangover of marriage, but I attended the class yesterday as well as today.
Okay.
But it's just that I'm not speaking much. That's it.
Still in Kolkata or you moved back?
No, I am very much in Kolkata. I'll be staying here for a few days.
2 more days. Good.
Yeah.
All right. That's nice to see you again after such a long time.
Same here. Nice to rejoin. To resume my classes again.
और बताओ, anyone any other question or query or sharing? कल का या आज का मैजिक चेक के बाद तो बहुत सारे शेयरिंग होने वाले हैं. And you know, this sharing is very very important. You know, एक तो दूसरे मोटिवेट होते हैं. And there are sometimes, you know, questions जैसे जो प्रार्थना पूछती है, it doesn't occur to a lot of us, you know, but कोई और पूछता है तो occur करता है कि या ये क्वेश्चन तो मैंने पूछा ही नहीं, ये भी हो सकता था. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और हम लोग को जैसे पहले हम लोग शेयर नहीं करते थे ना, कि बोलते थे नजर लग जाएगी. अब जितना आप शेयर करोगे ना, तो आप उसी चीज को सोचो और अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो. जितना आप शेयर करोगे तो ऐसे और सिचुएशंस क्रिएट होंगे जिसमें आप बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी खुशी बांट रहे हो और शेयर कर रहे हो. It's so very important and nice to share even the small magic which you see. You know, today I wanted to have a hot cup of coffee and you know it got fulfilled. Someone invited me for the coffee, so that is also magic. इनमें सब छोटी छोटी खुशियां मुझे तो ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है. Unexpected.
Payal, I want to have a cup of coffee.
I see you want to like come over.
When this class is over, let's meet up for the coffee or something. All of us who are staying in Calcutta, you know, we can meet up. Pratha, you are always invited from Bombay to Calcutta.
Virtually, you'll be connected to us.
You can give me a video call and I can enjoy the coffee.
Yeah, we'll video call you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Do that. Yes.
You're muted.
Only I and Vandana is from out of Kolkata. Everybody is in Kolkata.
Even Madhuri, she is from Bangalore.
No, even I am out of Kolkata. But right now I am in Kolkata. I'm enjoying the weather
cold
of
out there.
Kolkata for a long time.
So you are from which city? Jayashree.
Mumbai.
Yeah. No, I stay in Jalgaon originally. It's few kilometers away from Mumbai.
Okay, I know.
So only the 3 people will join in the virtual for the coffee meet, and the rest we can join it anywhere in like a
Vandana is
CSC
also
or
from
Saturday
Delhi.
Club.
I'm
That's what I'm
visualizing.
saying. Vandana,
Visualize.
Jayashri and Prathna.
And
Right?
Madhuri. Yeah, and Madhuri. Madhuri is also
Oh,
from
Madhuri.
Bangalore.
Okay. So rest we can join after the class is over.
Okay.
You know, ये circle
We
banana
all
is
can have
also
a virtual. We all can have a virtual coffee meet. Over here, we will all sit with our coffees and enjoy snacks and have
That's a
a
bright
different
idea, sweetie.
session for half
Yeah,
an
that's
hour.
also a good idea.
Where we can just enjoy, chit chat, sharing,
That's a
sharing,
nice
sharing,
idea.
attracting more things. Now,
yeah, we
When
can do that.
lockdown had begun, we used to do that, you know. When lockdown had begun, we used to sit with our kada, the green tea or something like that, and we used to play games on virtual. We have done that with our friend circle, you know. Kitty ki jagah, it is like more of sitting on the virtual kitty, having your green tea and your kada.
Okay, so guys, I have
you
this share.
attracted more friends.
Yes, Jayashri, you want
Okay,
to
so
share.
this is a cousin of mine whom I met recently in in the marriage. So what she had done, she was also doing the magic book and stuff and all. So she had written a check, and you will not believe, she just started, she wrote, and within few days, another cousin was coming from America. She got her I-12 at a very cheap rate, because जो इंडिया में प्राइस है वो वहाँ पे वो प्राइस नहीं है. 80K में उसको मिल गया, and a Prada glass.
Wow.
Fun. And I was like, oh my god, she couldn't believe, and she was like so happy. और उसको देख करके I was feeling as if अच्छा मेरा ही हो गया ऐसा पूरा. She was overjoyed, she was overwhelmed, she was like crazily, she was acting crazily, and it was looking so good on her. And वो एक feeling होता है ना भैया, कितने टाइम से सोच रहे थे कि नहीं मिलेगा, चलो इंडिया में ले लेंगे एंड ऑल, बट सडनली वो आपको मिल जाता है अच्छे खासे रेट के अंदर में, विच इट लाइक बियॉन्ड द एक्सपेक्टेशंस.
कितनी
वो
अच्छी
हाथ में उस दैट्स ट्रू. एंड वो हाथ में जब वो चीज पकड़ते हैं, हाथ में जब वो चीज पकड़ते हैं या पहनते हैं उसको, वो फीलिंग जो होती है, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड.
This magic तो हम लोग ने एग्जांपल में उसमें पढ़ा भी था ना. Just now we read in the book, in the chapter itself. You know, it might come in any form, unexpected way. It might come to you in an unexpected way. So write the magic check.
This was
have to be in gratitude.
so Payal, this was an unexpected way. She never imagined this.
So see, we have a testimonial right now in front
Real
of us.
life.
So,
Right.
Prathna was asking me, no, कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है क्या? Now you have that doubt. Never go and never write with a doubt in your mind.
Prathna, trust me, मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ हुआ. This
Right?
happens.
We have done it before also. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I was asking.
I mean, it's not about the magic
specifically
session.
because she's
Listen,
done
Prathna.
3-4 sessions. Yeah.
It's not about this magic sessions. Knowledge comes through number of means and modians. Okay. This is a magic session. ठीक है, अभी हो रहा है, अपन लोग सबको पता चल रहा है. It's a very structural format. But knowledge, if you want to do something, the belief is very important. You have to trust. You have to believe. ऐसा नहीं कि बस आज कर लिया और कल नहीं है. शिद्दत से तुम करते जाओ. It will come to you in some way or the other. Through mediator, through yourself, through somebody or whatever. It all depends. But ये करना जरूरी है. ये belief होना जरूरी है. That is important. So it's not just about the book. It's about your belief. इसमें बार बार यही कहा गया है. Believe करो और करो in action. सिर्फ दिमाग में नहीं होना चाहिए, आपके actions में भी होना चाहिए. तभी तो change आएगा ना.
Right.
So, beautiful
I
sharing
wanted to
by
know
Jayashri.
Payal's experience actually. It wasn't a doubt thing. It was just asking her whether she has achieved the thing.
अच्छा, अगर gratitude की कमी होगी, there's a lack of gratitude in my account, obviously I won't be attracting it. It's
Right.
same for everybody. It's not like I'm conducting or I'm reading. I'm just going by the book. So
Right.
अगर it depends on my gratitude also account. कितना है उसमें. So I would
सबको
say
भावना
This
वाली
marriage also, as I said
Share
before.
one thing just now.
yeah.
Yes, Anu.
I had seen a matha ka patti for a jadau jewelry that I got today morning. and I was thinking, ki, okay, I want to buy this, and I had sent it to my jeweler for the rate. And when you were talking about this check, I was just thinking, ki, okay, this is the first check that I'm going to make, and I had for 2.5, and just within this session I got a message from my jeweler that it will work out within 2.5. I was like, oh wow. I just thought कि 2.5 तक बैठेगा तो I'll take it, and उसका अभी मैसेज आया कि ये 2.5 के अंदर आपका बन जाएगा.
Wow, so your account, gratitude account is, I think it is like brimming. वो पूरा overflow.
Oh my god, this is like too much. Too much. Gosh.
How nice.
So we have to be very
That's
grateful
nice.
now. Anu, you must pay the gratitude to the jeweler, to the money, to your magic check, everything.
Yeah, sure. So now, should I make this magic check? But since he's already given me the amount, I should.
Of course you should.
You should. Okay. Make it till you receive it at least, and be grateful for it every time.
Yes,
all
exactly.
right.
And after you receive it, then also.
Keep this belief strong, Anu. Keep this belief very strong.
Yeah, really, this is like a real support.
और ऐसा कुछ होने लगता है तो वो
तो मैं सोच रही थी वो इतना
Right, yeah. Yes, Anu?
Wow, great.
Wonderful sharing by Jayashree and Anu. See, so magical.
Thank you. प्रार्थना जी, आप है ना निराश ना हो, आपके साथ होगा definitely. I'm sure हुआ भी होगा. All you have to say is just be grateful to things that has already happened. तो फिर जो होने वाला होगा वो ज़्यादा better होगा.
I'm happy. I was more interested in non-monetary things.
Like अच्छा इनके साथ हुआ, मेरा क्या होगा? Kidding, okay, kidding.
तो जिससे निराश नहीं होने
जयश्री बहुत अच्छे से समझा देती है एक्चुअली.
Thank you.
हाँ, समझा देती है. उसके साथ
कोई भी समझा तब सकता है जब आप बहुत चीजों के थ्रू मतलब you know when you have passed through number of things, when life is the best teacher, honestly. It will teach you in some or the other form. You just have to witness it. You have to be conscious about it. You have to be alert. That's all. And be grateful to it. Instead of saying कि अरे मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ, say thank God मेरे साथ हुआ.
वो तो हम लोग हर chapter में we are reading. In every situation we have to find the place where we can be glad about and we can be grateful for. You know, there's so many negative
just
situations.
Put in action. Absolutely correct, Payal. Put in action. That's it.
So on,
thanks
like life,
Payal, for wonderful class.
Yeah, universe throws to us like a lot of options. It's on us what we choose. Choices are there. It's we who are choosing. जो life में अभी हो रहा है, this is the choice which we have made for ourselves. Right? So we have to see what choice we want to make in our life, be it positive or negative or whatever it is. Yeah. So अभी तो हम लोग आज अनु का beautiful sharing, जयश्री और cousins beautiful sharing. So अब तो और भी शिद्दत के साथ सब magic check लिखेंगे और भी passion आएगा.
बहुत सारा प्रिंट आउट्स निकाल के रखेंगे. To be ready with the next.
श्रद्धा की लिस्ट बहुत लंबी है. डेफिनेटली वो निकाल के रखेंगे.
क्या करें?
Enjoy करो. Make it happen.
And why not? Why not? But always enjoy and be happy. Whatever is happening, you know, universe will throw us through all the tests we have to pass. Through all the tests, you know, through our gratitude. All right. So anything else? Any more sharing? I am sure by the end of this session, सबके magic check, second magic check बनने start हो जाएंगे. Oh, this already got cancelled.
Overtime photo भी ले ली.
Oh, so sweet.
अपना पुराना फोटो लेकर आई हूँ. I want to be again the same thing. इतनी पतली
like this. You are like this. You are gorgeous.
No यार, बहुत weight बढ़ गया है.
Better than this.
Work on your vision board. Work
Gorgeous.
on your vision board.
इसको विजन बोर्ड पे लगा दो श्रद्धा.
हाँ.
रोज
पहले विजन बोर्ड बनाते हैं.
हाँ.
मैं इसको देख के ही लग रहा था यार मैं कितनी पतली थी. How nice.
God, मैं तो अपना अगर पुराना फोटो देख लूं श्रद्धा तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है God, I'm so much better now.
हाँ.
Because
you maintained.
नहीं मुझे सिर्फ पतले होना है. बाकी सब मैं एकदम अच्छी हूँ अभी. Perfectly fine. सिर्फ वेट कम चाहिए. Otherwise everything is perfect.
It will happen. Start attracting.
Yes.
वो कल वाले चैप्टर में एक्सरसाइज करना है ना कि वन.
हाँ. Yeah. Ideal health का. Yes, Priyanka.
Yeah, to yesterday's exercise was the ideal health को एक body part को देना है ना आपको, so it's better to give the weight को gratitude and gratitude.
उसके लिए तो फोटो निकाला है.
Ideal state.
Ideal state.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, friends.
Fine.
Okay. So that's wonderful. You want to say something, Priyanka?
No. I was just saying thank you.
Gratitude.
So let's fold our hands and let's say gratitude.
Yeah. पता नहीं मुझे.
Today, beginning of the session, I had also, said that today is a magical check, and I wish कि मेरे जितने भी participants in the session, everyone sees like right magical check और सबके life में magic हो and fulfill हो. And today I heard two, one from Anu and one from Jayshree. So nice. We heard that also. Yes. So many more magics to all of you. Keep writing checks. Keep dreaming about it. And be always in positive and happy zone. Of course, you will attract magic. Yes.
Thank you, Payal.
Thank you.
Thank you, Divya.
Thank you,
for being
Payal.
here.
Thank you.
Have a magical
Thank you.
day.
Thank
See you
you.
all tomorrow.
Bye bye.